In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for project management. Let's dive right in. To start, open up your web browser and head over to the Asana homepage. Once you're there and you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage, ready to start organizing your projects. Now, let's kick off by creating a new project. Look for the New Project button. You should see it pretty clearly. When you click it, Asana gives you a couple of options. You can either choose from a collection of provided templates, which offer a great way to get a head start, or you can opt to create a project from scratch. For the purposes of this guide, we'll go with a blank project. It's a straightforward way to tailor everything exactly to your needs. Once you've decided on a blank project, you'll want to give it a name. Make sure the name clearly reflects what the project is all about, as this will help keep everything organized for your team. Once you've named your project, click Continue. Now, it's time to decide on your project's view. Asana provides a few options here, including a list view for a detailed task-by-task breakdown, or a board view for a more visual, Kanban-style approach. Choosing the right view depends on your project's requirements and your team's preferences, so pick the one that suits you best. Once your choice is made, click Create Project and voila! Your project environment is all set up. With that, it's time to dive into task management. Adding tasks is straightforward. Click to add a task and think about the key details to include. You can assign tasks to team members using the Assignee feature. Just select an assignee from your list of team members. This is crucial for keeping accountability clear across your team. To keep a solid timeline in place, don't forget to add due dates for each task. This keeps your project moving smoothly and on track. If a task seems too complex, don't hesitate to break it down into subtasks. This can simplify management by providing more manageable pieces to accomplish. While working on your projects, explore the My Tasks section. This area offers a comprehensive view of all the tasks assigned to you across various projects, making it incredibly useful for personal task management. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the Asana interface and its numerous features. These tools are designed to streamline your project management processes and make your workflow more efficient. As you grow more comfortable with Asana, remember that you can customize your projects further to meet your team's unique needs. Click on Customize to find options like adding forms, creating rules, and even implementing custom fields. These features make Asana a versatile platform, adaptable to a wide array of project management styles. There you have it, a beginner-friendly walkthrough of managing projects with Asana. I hope you found this guide helpful. Asana is indeed a powerful tool, and with time and practice, it can significantly boost your team's productivity. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.